Has it ever occurred to you what goes on in the world of animals in July? Against the backdrop of the brilliant animal kingdom, the month of July unveils a tapestry of remarkable behaviors and creative adaptations as the sun rules supremely in the blue skies. Occurring from the dark depths of the ocean's core to the infinite blue where eagles dare, creatures of all sizes reveal the mysterious mysteries of their existence. Get ready for an incredible voyage into the center of nature's midsummer drama, where all creatures, from the smallest to the largest, play crucial roles in an exciting dance of life under the sun. Accept the journey as we explore the wonderful world of summertime creatures, a world full of mysteries just waiting to be unearthed. 1. Avoiding sexual cannibalism. Within the dangerous habitat of orb-weaving spiders, the art of survival undergoes a significant transformation. Some shrewd male arachnids have developed an incredible escape mechanism to avoid the terrible fate of sexual cannibalism. Following the delicate mating dance, these quick-witted males execute a life-saving acrobatic move in which they nimbly thrust themselves away from their companions. This is a deliberate action to avoid becoming a post-mating snack, not just a demonstration of aerial prowess. Their ability to propagate their genes and maintain the continuity of their lineage is preserved by this unusual behavior. There are significant risks involved, but the escape is nothing short of amazing, making it an intriguing demonstration of nature's inventiveness. 2. Digesting fossils. Deep-sea sponges survive in the murky oceanic depths where sunlight is afraid to venture. These ancient seafloor mariners have discovered the key to surviving in their barren environment. They eat the remains of extinct civilizations. These sponges carefully break down the fossilized remains of extinct tube worms, drawing nourishment from the skeletal remnants of the past with the help of tiny bacterial partners. They can thrive in areas where few others can because of their amazing symbiosis, which transforms the arid seabed into a historical feast and demonstrates the amazing adaptation of life in the most distant environments on Earth. 3. Foraging. Every creature in the vast structure of nature has a specific function to play in the complex dance of survival, and they all have different foraging strategies. The little, attentive, and nimble rodents scuttle through the thick undergrowth, their whiskers quivering as they search for fruit and seeds concealed by the leaves. By contrast, the gentle giants of the ocean, the whales, make spectacular dives into the depths with their enormous mouths open, ensnaring schools of fish in a single, elegant swallow. These very tactics are not merely means of survival, rather, they are precisely adapted to the cycles of their environments, guaranteeing that every species survives within the delicate ecological balance. 4. The unexpected nose picker. Introducing the eye, a lemur with a taste for the unusual. An example of a lemur is the eye, which picks its nose with its long middle finger. Given that the finger is normally employed for grazing insects, this behavior is peculiar. It mines for gold using a 3-inch middle finger. But this isn't your typical regimen of picking your nose. The extended digit of the eye is mainly saved for nighttime insect hunts. And yet, look at it now, carefully opening its nostrils. Maybe it's going treasure hunting or just enjoying a strange hobby. In any case, the eye's peculiar habit gives the animal kingdom a whimsical touch. 5. Songs of the wild. Animals speak a language that predates recorded history. Their gestures, calls, and melodies tell complex stories. The musical trill of the song sparrow reverberates throughout the woodland as it sits on a branch. Octopuses, those mysterious creatures under the sea, talk to each other by flinging shells, silt, and algae at one another. With calculated accuracy, the melancholic octopus tosses debris, perhaps expressing thoughts about territory or courtship. Or weaving spiders, on the other hand, have perfected the technique of eschewing sexual cannibalism. 6. The grand trek, migration. One of the most common behavioral adaptations in animals is migration. A multitude of animals set out on epic expeditions when temperatures rise. With their wings slicing through the air like paper airplanes, flying birds cross continents. Driven by an ancestor's impulse to breed and lay eggs, fish swim upstream against the river, just like determined salmon do. Even terrestrial mammals, like caribou, zebras, and wildebeests, travel great distances in pursuit of food or new lands. These adventurous journeys serve as a tribute to survival, nature's magnificent display of fortitude and tenacity. 7. Wild geese migration. Let's dive a little deeper into the word of migration as an adaptation of summer creatures. These avian navigators partake in one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles, long-distance migration. It's not merely a change of scenery. It's a testament to survival, a dance with the elements, and a story of life itself. This amazing journey involves a symphony of behavioral and physiological changes. Their bodies are engineering marvels from nature. Their wings can travel thousands of miles thanks to powerful muscles. However, migration is about continuity rather than just survival. The ancestors' nesting grounds, where generations of geese have hatched, are what attract the geese that will court, mate, and raise their young here. 8. The nocturnal ballet. Fireflies illuminate in the night. Fireflies appear in July's twilight, creating a magnificent ballet of bioluminescence. Their abdomens weave secret messages as they flare like faraway stars. Is it a code of silence or courtship? Maybe they say in a whisper, "Come with me to the moonlit meadow." And so, with our hearts full of awe, we chase their fleeting brilliance. 9. Seeking refuge in shade, the lizard's mirage. Lizards dance delicately over rocks blasted by the sun. After basking and absorbing heat, they dive into cracks, seeking cover from their brightness. Their scales gleam like little mirages. "Balance, my reptilian friend," murmurs adaptation. "Make it through the fire and come out safe." 10. The Arctic nomads. Polar bears seek solitude. The Arctic is whispered to by July, and icebergs wander there like old mariners. Polar bears, defenders of the icy lands, move with caution. There is less sea ice and growing hunger. Swimming in search of seals, their white fur disappears into the disappearing flows. Their philosophy is adaptation. They wait for winter to return, fast, and use less energy. In the animal kingdom, July is a month of fascinating habits and amazing summertime adaptations. The month presents a panorama of natural wonders, from the synchronized blinking of fireflies to the acrobatic displays of mating dragonflies. Some animals, like the Arctic fox, have an ingenious way of surviving by changing the color of their fur to match the summertime scenery. Furthermore, some species, like the desert kangaroo rat, have adapted to survive in extreme heat by reducing water loss through the use of modified kidneys and effective cooling systems. All things considered, July highlights the various and unique ways that animals in the kingdom survive and adapt to the summertime. Thank you for watching, in the hopes that you've learned a thing or two. Please remember to drop a comment. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.